How to turn off notifications and Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn them down. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon, and here there's a section called Control Center. Tap on Control Center. So basically, this is the place where you can find different settings and you can even customize it. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Notification Preferences. Tap on it, and here you can find two categories available. So it's email from Rings and in mobile notifications. So here tap on mobile. So all the push notifications are available here. Here you can find different subcategories too. So it's up to you, and you can simply tap on the one that you want to turn it off. At last, you can go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.